What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel, and we have some good news for people with mining nerfed cards or LHR cards, because Nicehash has added Ergo as one of their algorithms. So if you didn't want to actually direct mine Ergo and then swap it over and exchange it, if you just wanted something easy, a lot of people don't like Nicehash, but Nicehash does make it easy. So they actually, you can mine Ergo and get paid out in Bitcoin if it's the most profitable, which for LHR cards like 3060s, 3070 Ti's, 3080 Ti's, I think it is. What to Mine has not added it on their list for the Nicehash Ergo payout, but they have the direct mining Ergo, so we can take a look at that and get a really good idea of what you would be making on Nicehash. It'd probably just be a little bit less. So let's click on over there and see what we're looking at. Bam. Okay. So new algorithm Auto Lycos or Auto Lycos, I probably said that wrong, but Ergo is available on the Hash Power Marketplace. Hello, nice hashers. We have now completed the addition of Ergo to our Hash Power Marketplace. Ergo coin is mined with the Auto Lycos, a proof of work algorithm designed to be ASIC and pool resistant, and is very much suited to GPU mining. Ergo is an interesting coin that we see a lot of potential for mining, and we are pleased to announce its arrival to the Nicehash platform. Basically, yeah, just a little bit more specifics, but here's the old meat and potatoes. So on a 3060 right now, with 10 cents per kilowatt, you'd be making on Ergo direct mining $2.27, and that's actually more profitable than direct mining Ethereum. So I would imagine Nicehash is going to be more profitable on Ergo than direct mining Ethereum on Nicehash. So Ethereum on Nicehash is 203 versus 218. I imagine Ergo will probably be, maybe 210 to 215, somewhere along those lines. And that's rating a 3060 at 37 mega hash, which if you have a mining nerfed 3060, they're more like 26 mega hash. So here's a better representation. If you don't have one that will not take the developer driver, Ergo is much more profitable than any other coin on there. Now, did they actually add any of the other nerfed cards yet? No, they haven't. But yeah, so definitely not a bad thing. More options. Now, if you do want to direct mine Ergo, that is probably going to be the most profitable way to mine it. And then you can just put it on an exchange and exchange it for whatever you want. That's perfectly cool too. I just thought it was really, really nice that Nicehash is adding some of these more profitable algorithms. So if you don't know, Nicehash has Kapow, which is Ravencoin. They have Octopus, which is Conflux. Going further down, they have a Cuckoo Cycle, which I don't know which coin that is on that algorithm. Of course, old ETH hash. They don't have ETC on there, so there's not a lot of love for the old 4 gigabyte cards. Cuckoo 31, Beam V3. There are a lot of options other than just straight Ethereum, and a lot of people think that, oh, we'll just be able to jump on one of these other coins when Ethereum goes proof of stake, and it's going to be a crazy time whenever that does happen. So just keep your eyes and ears open, and yeah, just be ready for it. But if anybody else is already on Nicehash and mining Ergo, let me know. Sorry about my daggone phone going off. I am re-downloading Nicehash on my laptop right now. This is only a 1660 Ti, and I don't believe they actually. Let's see. I don't think they mine Ergo very well. Let me see. So a 1660 Ti. Calculate on Ergo. They do not do very well. Wow, it's way down here. So a 1660 Ti only does 99 cents a day. It's just not as efficient at mining it compared to the daggone 30 series. I'm pretty sure all the 30 series make really good money on the on Ergo. So a 3070 on Ergo is doing $3.19, a little bit under Vertcoin and Ethereum. Wow, Vertcoin's popping off right now. And a 3080 on Ergo is doing $3.91, so significantly under Ethereum. And on a 3090, I'm actually curious, is a 3090 good at it? It's not horrible at it. $4.90 a day before power. So, yeah. What about AMD? 5700 XT? Do they like Ergo? $2 a day versus $3 a day? Not so much. What about a 6700 XT? I'm curious. I haven't looked at these yet, so I didn't know how they actually do on Ergo. Wow. Wow. See, a 5700 XT puts a 6700 XT to shame when it comes to mining anything. Even Ethereum, $2.81 a day, the most profitable algorithm on a 6700 XT versus a 5700 XT, $3.22, $3, 225. I mean, it's just like, man, 5700 XT is just out there killing it, holding it down. So thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate you coming out. Please comment, like, do all that kind of stuff if you want to. If you're not subscribed, always drop a subscription. And I think we're getting close to that 67,000. I don't know, we might already hit it, but I knew it was coming up here soon. But I want to thank you guys. Without you, I'd still be at like 7 subscribers with my 7 YouTube accounts. But yeah, other than that, have a good one. Peace.